So won't go Sika or Sammy Gyamfi wa. And ka won boss a useless defense way. Emma gold board.
Ebusa mama akwaba Embra Ghana Sam TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are posted, you'll be notified. Ebusa for Honorable Okoe Boye, Dr Okoe Boye. He's in a little trouble. Let me put it that way. And Dr. Okoe Boye will be a mepena sempa because I mean he looks young, he's charismatic, and he has occupied a lot of portfolios within the 8 years of President Nana Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Now you're MP, from MP or deputy minister, or CEO of health insurance, or minister of health, or now you're chairman of Kolebu Teaching Hospital Board. No? And he's done quite much for himself, and apparently so or PhD. But some of the people grassroots of NPP, they are growing very uncomfortable with the way Honorable Okoe Boye associated with NDC for be, especially Sammy Gyamfi and the rest. And Nsema Omukano, I think they have quite a point. But the only thing I'm not comfortable with, and he said, Omu campaign the Honorable Okoe Boye ni bid to become Greater Accra Regional Chairman. I believe Okoe Boye as a Greater Accra Regional Chairman. That's what I believe. And yes, I'm not endorsing him because I don't know even the people in the race, but I believe Ebeboa. But look, you see, already we have started. The reason I Assembly Kramika 170 say we started giving a kind of a fair warning to Yempeni for say. Senyamiye Yadomna 2029 NPP Baba. We don't want to hear and my learned colleague and my friend and me where me busiani, where me in-law, where me ex, where me side chick. No. The moment Obi NDC in Kwandia and the person has misbehaved, the person has eaten some money, no mercy for the cripple. And a message a person Yempeni for no monty no mofan to masumu. Because we are all bearing witness to the level of persecution under this NDC government led by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And yes, sir, omu hu ye say madam fofo. Say any omu neko na neighbor. Yes, yeah. We talk. We have their numbers. We watch their status. They comment about everything. But to about politics, omu ma who say enemies. They don't even see us as opponents. They see us as enemies and they treat us as such. But NPP Nkwana, my learned colleague, anyway, netina law class and meanwhile, no Nkofonu mafia. That is why the youth are saying, what person be a Greater Accra Regional Chairman? Utimiko ecosystem kokase one of the good things are SCA eba under Jomama abaya a good board. Dr. Okoe Boye. Abra PMMC na ho. Eti Ajwa Enimaya, one of the active youths of NPP or social media, so has written a piece. I think I have to read for you and I'll put on the screen for you to follow along. See, dear Dr. Okoe Boye, personally, I like and respect you very much, and everyone who knows me can attest to how highly I regard you. However, I think the criticism being expressed is being misunderstood. It is not coming from your opponents or people opposed to your chairmanship bid. The issue is not even about taking a picture. We all watched the video. It showed you rushing to take a photo with Sammy Gyamfi, and personally, I found it disappointing. If anything, considering your standing and accomplishments, one would expect Sammy Gyamfi to be the one seeking a picture with you, not the other way around. We also watched your interview on Ekosisen where you spoke glowingly about Sammy Gyamfi and Gold Board, and a concept that in one form or another PMMC was already undertaken and which was advanced as part of Dr. Bawumia's broader vision. Respectfully, I don't think anyone is saying or even suggesting you should not have friends in the NDC. Politics should not prevent people from having personal relationships, but politics is also about optics and perception. Whether we like it or not, public figures are judged not only by what they do, but also by the signals they send. Watching that video made me cringe a bit because of the message it conveyed. When the NDC was in opposition, their leading figures and core supporters understood this very well. You rarely saw them publicly fraternizing with prominent NPP figures because they knew the optics would not sit well with their base. And respectfully, especially not Sammy Gyamfi, this is someone who spent years insulting NPP leaders and supporters, calling President Nana Akufo-Addo Mahmoud Bawumia all manner of names. For many party faithfuls, seeing someone they admire appear starstruck by him naturally feels like betrayal. Hey, NPP for muchro bro for what? NPP for yamin shramo. About bro for the muchro. This is one brilliant piece by Ajwa Enima. And in fact, Dr. Kofi Nyako also added a voice. I say, I have tried to restrain myself from commenting on this issue. The last time we raised similar concerns, some people called us new party owners. But yes, let's continue. Just take a simple look. Most of those defending this and their history will tell you exactly why they are doing so. People are not politically stupid or naive. It is not as if we don't understand networking or we don't have friends in the NDC or can't build relationships with them. We are saying is simple. Okay, so I think you wanted to say what we are saying is simple. Know how to manage these relationships with and be mindful of who you publicly associate with. People who have consistently disrespected, insulted, and lied about your party leaders are those you publicly defend and fraternize with. Are you the only people who took the pictures and videos? Why are they not posting and sharing theirs? And if they value you and your relationship? When it comes to these issues, I have always told people lower their expectations. Some of our leaders are transactional. They simply don't care. They value their relationships with the NDC more than with their party members. They respect their political opponents than you. But on many occasions, their NDC friends set them up to be attacked and mocked by their foot soldiers. And it takes those they disrespect to defend them. You will never see their NDC friends defending them or telling their supporters not to abuse them. We, the poor and jobless ones, are the same people who step in to defend them, etc., etc. Auntie, Bushamfo, what do you think? Was Dr. Okoe Boye right to rush into taking a picture with Sammy Gyamfi, or you felt, Sammy Gyamfi has been disrespectful to the NPP, and so when we see him in public, we should treat him with all the contempt he deserves? Let me know in the comment section.
Abusia, Mamuza Dr. Okoe Boye responded to Yanya, ya calling it out over the relationship with Sammy Gyamfi and Amobi Awotua Mboa party. Na sa lame response you hu yanka wanfamba. And you see the attempt to say Obe create erroneous impression say a contest now all call will greet Accra and the opponent Akoshen Croft will be a G calling it out and it will not work. And also the attempt to say Obemane looking like say one supported Dr. Bawumia and Crofobi calling it out over some of these things, and also it's not going to work. And that last attempt to say Obe play on the emotional keyboard of unsuspecting NPP people. Now if you what play victim, now we need some form of sympathy, no, it's not going to work. Because some of us, me personally, I don't care about whoever you are contesting with in Greater Accra. Greater Accra, more lessons, you know. And family, me interest in MPP. And MPP no emfa ho new position emfa ho any how long you served in the party. So who to anamon be na be say party now. Me personally, I will call you out, and before I do that, I do so without malice. I do so without any personal hatred, and I do so having the benefit of the fact of the matter, any evidence. And it was on that basis, Anna, Dr. Okoe Boye, I called you out, and I know you know it, but you are feigning ignorance and you are trying to deceive unsuspecting NPP people. But me wow, na NPP for what you see in some nasi. Many people are calling you out. No man who how lame your statement is. How I would then summon wada episode would dodge the main issue. Now we're deceiving Crawford to court public sympathy. Inti me babe why in seminary. Ebusian for Muntiani. Near the kind. Ninti Crawford bebre and near bread Dr. Okoe Boye so Muntiani near the kind. We know Sammy Gyamfi. Influencing NPP phobi o twetwe sika mom clear and safo no twetwe sika mom no some of them Sammy Gyamfi asemba a wo monka ebi nso etimi ko both defense ema Sammy Gyamfi e defend Sammy Gyamfi o Sammy Gyamfi this boy ade odi ye NPP and NPP phobi etimi defend no ade da ho no ne edi kan ne etoso mienu Dr. Okoe Boye ne ntia nkrofo attack you and say there is a video of you abokotna asempa FM. Who praise the good board. And then you say, you were using facts and truths to praise gold board. You misrepresented fact deliberately. SQ fact deliberately to make gold board look good. And you were praising gold board. Opposition party member, Asempa FM. You were praising gold board with skewed facts, misrepresentation of fact. We'll say, Togo the free small scale minus war. Bebre since large scale miners for the first time into yem praise gold board. When you know say and yes small scale miners one or to gold na ma gold yeto free or mohona kosoro as in large scale miners. They are buying from Galamsey people are buying with NDC are buying for the first time to gold every Galamsey for her. I don't know ama gold yen Yenya free small scale for no honomono, a dozen, as in large scale no. But you went there to use this to praise NDC for gold board, Sammy Gyamfi. And we are asking, and then a bit me motivating MPP nibi. I say, obey skill fact, obey misrepresented fact. No, they are praise gold board, NDC near or that gold board, no. And then a bit motivate you be a man, yes, sir. So I video never told ya. Obia and Kanwasam, did you see anybody calling you out? Number 3. Neaman Crawford, I can hear Messi and me 1 and 2 SC and who say, oh, you've been compromised, no? And then number 3. The recent amorous relationship that you have. But yes, Sammy Gyamfi, I make amorous, I make politically. But Sammy Gyamfi. And also, the opportunity was presented to you to have pictures together. What we saw in the video, no, any opportunity given to you, Banas will be a catcher was say, Brana Muncha picture. Wona wudi mirika wo ho popo kwa koso Sammy Gyamfi say we saw the video wo kwa kochia. But I'm saying say Chiana kochia Sammy Gyamfi uni ni picture. That is not the most important thing. But o conduct, especially in the video na ye hunu ye e wa Asempa FM akotran ya who skill fact or misrepresented fact. Eddie favor Sammy Gyamfi and in the gold board. At the time our gold board aboka. Uti me can say gold board and bar and nya gold bebre. Which you know say a because gold purchase program I know and a gold board for the year Juma. Gold board oman kasomo document almost state we say no the year Juma. Dr. Baomia and the buyer. Dr. Baomia is the brain behind all these things. So on what grounds now we praise the gold board? No, just say TSM. Near people canon, they have a point. And the right thing you ought to have done in that your post was to apologize to NPP for. Was to apologize to people genuinely. In Crawford is saying genuinely. They are disappointed in you, your conduct. But not to say, creating impression and say, and Crawford person we give free politics and our survey party for a long time. Call elections will let you cuckoo na chairmanship position now. Ninti and Dr. Baomia one supporting Ninti and the enemy of Massa TBB MPP youth no. Bro, we are hungry for power. Money the money BB or MPP mo. Obey minister. Uye CEO, when you be a friend NPP, when your party, why MP? But the Melbourne no almost say omobe nature mo political career no manya baby no. Omo omani abre ya ni abre. And enya dia be entertain any activities ne actions bia e betimi asa party ni chances in 2028. So no this and no peace. Simple. Honorable Bernard Okoe Boye. Ona me feel pa, we mini papa from afar. But I'm so much disappointed in you. Sammy Gyamfi sika na wo de ama no. Fako mano. Sammy Gyamfi sika na wakoje won ho e de ye campaign no. Fako.
The good thing in this budget Emma Miniajipa the gold board. Obi Usha, for the first time in our history, gold at every small scale mining are more than large scale. In Cedar. Now about 81.7 tons, equivalent to over $8 billion. Denti a gold board. Many June innovation is a Skawen Rano, Anka gold board in buyer, a bit by reflected at bank.
Sa unko ji sika o Sammy Gyamfi wa. Anka won boss a useless defense way Emma gold board. Gold board top a galamsey code for the first time. Officially, government is buying gold from Galamsey. Galamsey for almost saying sassy saying so. And Ubo defense my gold board say, yeah, top gold free, yes, small scale miners or as in large scale miners into Yambo gold board abaso. And even the policy, you say, yeah, officially Ghana buy take it deliberate step up to gold every year minus or them. And young people near the buy. As a anka gold board and bar. Sikana waje no de beko. And you see greater craft for. Muntu abanintia be Okoe Boye. Muntu abanintia no. Such a person be a regional chairman for NPP. In Greater Accra, we are doomed. We are doomed because currently your numbers for Greater Accra and in shame crime. Now also Okofo Obia or Sammy Gyamfi bottom. Obia no copper Sammy Gyamfi chorling in picture. What kind of nonsense is that? NPP for no. You are in the pocket of Sammy Gyamfi ama musika makamano atu muhuna na moho popo. Hey, munyina, we are going to call you out. We are going to deal with all of you one after the other. And someone there, mu greedy, mu selfish. Munko ane mu bedi na huhiamo. Dr. Baumia bra opese obey president no boa Ghana no de hu hiam ana mo de sa few cedis a wode pema $dollars or de pema ana makama no atum na mo kwa hey